Tricking smells like beef. Congratulations, Tiki Woo. Here's 6 tips on hook kick. Tip number 1, pick a martial art. My hook kick comes from TaeKwonDo, but whatever kind of hook kick you want to do, that word kick means you're probably trying to hit something with it. So I'd recommend practicing some sort of martial art, whether it be karate, wushu, capoeira. There's a ton out there. And if you're not going to do a kick and just throw your leg up for momentum, that's fine too. Tip number 2, point your toes. When you do a hook kick and you're trying to hit something with it, you don't want to hit it with your Achilles. Hitting things with your Achilles might cause damage that might, cause things later down in life. You want to hit with the bottom of your foot. And to do that, you need to point your leg like it's this tomahawk thing and hit with that part instead of that part. It's very hot. Tip number 3, rechamber. After you do the hook kick motion, pull your leg in. It is the pull in of your hamstring muscle, which in this analogy is my bicep, that activates a lot of the power behind the kick that allows you to generate a lot of momentum or really hit your target. Extend your leg fully, but not like extra full. If you have a little bit of hyperextension in your knee, do not hyperextend your knee. What you want to do is kick with almost a full leg, but not super you want to be right about here, not you don't want to do that. You want to be right about there when doing the hook kick, or you will develop hyperextension as well. Tip number 5, use your whole body. When you hook kick, you want to move your arms in opposition of the kick, so that way you involve all of it. That was me doing it wrong. That was me doing it right. Tip number 6, record yourself. If you're going to be training the hook kick, if you're going to be training any trick, do record yourself. It's valuable data. Get that data. And follow the Data Den on Instagram. Give them your data, so that way we can improve tricking. All right, let's grass session.